Hello, it's me.
Hi everybody, my name is Anton Immortal and let's begin. So friends, why the most successful businessmen are not look like successful businessmen? The reason is simple, but somehow not too clear to more than 99% of people. What doesn't mean we're stupid. It's just that people are being desired to purpose to create a false impression. Why? Really, why? It is necessary for people to spend money, in fact, for nothing. That's not a joke. It's no secret for anyone. It's just happened historically, so usual. Even since the monkey before us jumped with the 6 daggers, so it is important to us to have a high status. As far as we all know, a deer does not need hunters at all. They interfere with it, they are heavy, they break about branches and get stuck in there. But why do they suffer with them all their life? Because females like it. And there is no tragedy, because it's normal, it's just routine. And that's a fact. We should be taken as a given. Like, you know, it's raining, it's not good or bad, he just goes, just raining. Someone likes, and someone doesn't like, depending on how we like to be dry. From what follows, only one simple truth. People, as social monkeys, simply need to have status. It is necessary for survival of the species. None of us, in fact, do not need expensive watches, suits, heaps of cars, and so on. But we have to be taken seriously by our monkeys to embrace for females, to show them what we are better, that our monkeys. What is the differences between monkeys and people? Only the presence of morality. What our basic needs of person as a monkey? Eat a banana, fuck another monkey, and find a house so we not get eaten by lion. Now, I think the information is very comprehensive. If you have any questions, just ask me. And you always should remember what my name is Anton Immortal, and I am in the business for 4 years, and that means what I can help you any business question, and you also can buy my consultate on the link in the description below. Thank you for watching this video, thank you for likes, subscribe to my channel, and always be happy.